how to back up WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily back up WhatsApp on iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up a WhatsApp app and then go to the settings on the bottom right corner, scroll down, tap on chats, and here you'll find chat backup. Tap on it and then tap on auto backup. And if it is set to off, you can either set it to daily, weekly, or monthly. I recommend backing it up daily, and then you can even toggle on include videos, and then that's it. Now this setting is done. Now another setting what you need to do is you need to go into your iCloud and then toggle on WhatsApp there. So go to your Apple account and then tap on iCloud. Now here tap on see all and then search for WhatsApp. Now go ahead and toggle on WhatsApp. Now once you've done this, go back to your WhatsApp, refresh it, and then you just need to tap on backup now, and then your WhatsApp would start the backup. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.